Hey friends, I hope you're all having an awesome day. I'm Mark, and I'm really glad you're joining me for another fun TV review. Today, we're diving into the Samsung 70-inch class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV, model UN70DU7200FXZA SQ6575142, which is currently priced at $479.99. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this TV brings to the table, and whether it might just be the perfect fit for your living room. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a friendly look at what makes this TV tick. Shopping for a new TV can feel like a lot, especially with all those techie terms and features. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it step by step so you'll know exactly what you're getting. It's not just about the size or the brand. What's inside really makes a difference in how much you'll enjoy your shows, movies, and games. First things first, this TV is big. We're talking 70 inches of screen, with Samsung's Crystal UHD display. If you want that movie theater feeling at home, this is a great way to get it. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the huge, clear screen really draws you in. Now, Crystal UHD might sound fancy, but here's what it means. Samsung uses a special layer of tiny crystals inside the screen. Think of them like little color helpers. They make the colors on your TV look super bright and real, so everything you watch just pops with color and looks more lifelike. Thanks to these crystals, you'll notice colors are brighter and more accurate, especially when you're watching something in HDR. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, which is just a fancy way of saying the bright parts look brighter and the dark parts look darker. It makes everything feel more real and exciting. This TV supports a few types of HDR, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and HLG. That just means you'll get awesome color and contrast with all sorts of shows and movies. HDR10 Plus is especially cool because it adjusts the picture for every scene, so things always look their best. Let's talk about the brains of the TV, the Crystal Processor 4K. This little chip is like a super smart helper. Even if you're watching something that isn't in 4K, it works behind the scenes to make everything look sharper and clearer. So, your old DVDs or YouTube videos will still look great on this big screen. The processor also helps clean up the picture, making it crisp and cutting down on any fuzziness. No matter what you're watching, you'll get a clear, sharp image even on a screen this size. Wondering how smooth the action looks? This TV has a 60 Hz refresh rate, which is just right for most things, movies, TV shows, and even some gaming. Unless you're a super serious gamer, you probably won't notice a difference compared to higher numbers. Samsung also adds something called Motion Rate 120. That's just a fancy way of saying the TV uses smart software to make fast-moving scenes look smoother. So, if you love sports or action movies, you'll see less blur and more detail during those exciting moments. For sound, you get two built-in speakers with Dolby Digital Plus. They're good for everyday watching, and Dolby Digital Plus helps make the sound a bit richer and more immersive. But if you really love great sound, you might want to add something extra. If you want that true movie theater sound, I'd recommend adding a sound bar or a surround sound system. It's an easy upgrade that can make your movies and shows sound amazing and really pull you into the action. When it comes to looks, the DU7200 is super modern with its slim bezels. That means more screen and less frames, so everything you watch feels even bigger. It fits right in with any room style too. The back is nice and slim, and it has a standard VESA mount if you want to hang it on the wall. Whether you put it on a stand or mount it up, it's designed to look good from every angle. You get 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, and an optical audio output. That's plenty of spots for your game consoles, streaming sticks, or anything else you want to plug in. No more swapping cables all the time. Plus, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect your devices wirelessly. That means less clutter and more convenience. Stream from your phone, tablet, or laptop without any extra cords. So that's the inside scoop on the Samsung 70-inch DU7200 Crystal UHD 4K Smart TV. It's packed with cool features, looks awesome, and is super easy to use. Whether you're a movie buff, sports fan, or just want a big screen for your living room. Alright, let's dive into what makes the Samsung 70 DU7200 4K TV such a fantastic choice. There's so much to love about this TV, so let's break down all the awesome features that make it stand out. First off, the picture quality is absolutely stunning for the price. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, cheering on your team, or gaming with friends, the visuals are crisp, colorful, and super clear. Every moment pops. Thanks to the Crystal UHD display, colors look vibrant and true to life. It's like having a mini movie theater right in your living room. HDR content is a real treat, with rich contrast and a wide range of colors that add depth and detail. Bright highlights and deep shadows make everything look more dynamic and exciting. Even dark scenes look fantastic, with impressive black levels for an edge-lit LED TV. Movie nights feel extra cozy and immersive. The upscaling engine is a game changer. It makes older, lower-resolution content look almost as sharp as native 4K, so your classic favorites get a fresh new look. I tried it with some old 1080p shows and the difference was clear: sharper images and less noise. It's like rediscovering your favorite shows all over again. Now let's talk about smart features. The Tizen operating system is super user-friendly and makes finding what you want a breeze. The interface is fast and responsive, no lag, no waiting, just smooth, easy navigation every time. All your favorite streaming services are right at your fingertips: Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu and more. Switching between apps is effortless. The remote is another highlight. It's simple, easy to use, and the layout just feels right. It's compact, comfy to hold, and has all the buttons you need. Plus, those dedicated streaming buttons are super convenient. And let's not forget the design. This TV doesn't just perform well, it looks amazing too. The slim bezels and sleek profile give it a modern, stylish vibe that fits beautifully into any space. It's a TV you'll be proud to show off. Now that we've highlighted some of the TV's strengths, let's thoughtfully explore a few areas where there's room for improvement. These are just a few things to consider as you decide if this TV is the right fit for you. For instance, the viewing angles are somewhat limited, so if you're sitting far off to the side, the picture might not appear quite as vibrant. If your seating is spread out, you may notice a slight change in picture quality from those side spots. The TV doesn't include local dimming, a feature that can help create deeper black levels. Because of this, the blacks might not be as deep as on some higher-end models, but for most everyday viewing, the picture still looks good. The 60Hz refresh rate is great for regular shows and movies, but if you're a dedicated gamer or love fast-paced sports, you might notice a bit of motion blur from time to time. When it comes to sound, the built-in speakers are perfectly suitable for casual watching. They handle everyday audio well, but if you're looking for a more immersive sound experience, adding a soundbar could be a nice upgrade. There are 3 HDMI ports, which should work for most setups, though if you have a lot of devices, you might need to swap cables occasionally. And finally, the Tizen operating system offers plenty of features, but if you're new to it, it might take a little time to get comfortable. The Samsung DU7200 4K TV is designed to take your entertainment to the next level, and it all starts with Samsung's smart Tizen platform. Tizen is the engine behind the scenes, making your TV experience smooth, intuitive, and enjoyable. With this TV, your living room transforms into an entertainment center, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, and everything in between. The Tizen interface is designed to be user-friendly and welcoming. Everything is organized logically, so you can easily find your favorite shows, apps, or games without any confusion. When you power on the TV, you're greeted by a home screen that highlights your most used apps, recent channels, and personalized recommendations. It's like having a personal guide to help you discover new content and revisit your favorites. Navigating the TV is simple and comfortable thanks to the thoughtfully designed remote control. The buttons are easy to reach so you can relax and enjoy your entertainment without any hassle. Want to make things even easier? Use your voice. The remote's built-in microphone lets you search for content, control playback, or interact with Bixby, Samsung's voice assistant. It's a quick and effortless way to manage your TV. The DU7200 gives you access to all your favorite streaming services, plus a wide range of games and useful apps. Whether you're in the mood for a blockbuster movie, a fun game, or even some light productivity, there's something for everyone. Beyond streaming, you can explore a world of apps to enhance your TV experience. Play games with friends and family or use productivity tools, all from the comfort of your couch. The Universal Guide is a standout feature, bringing together content from all your streaming services and live TV. This makes it easy to find what you want to watch without switching between different apps. Sharing content from your phone or laptop is a breeze with Tizen. Mirror your screen to show photos, stream videos, or even give presentations, making it easy to bring everyone together and enjoy the big screen experience. After looking at the features, strengths, and a few drawbacks of the Samsung DU7200, let's talk about whether this TV is a good match for your needs. If you want a big cinematic screen for movie nights, family TV time, or some light gaming, this model could be a great fit. The DU7200 offers a lot of value for its size, especially if you catch it on sale, making it an appealing option for budget-conscious shoppers. Its 70-inch screen is best suited for larger rooms, and the 4K resolution ensures sharp, detailed images for all your content. Thanks to Crystal UHD technology and HDR support, you'll enjoy vibrant colors and a more dynamic viewing experience. The smart Tizen platform is easy to use and gives you quick access to a wide range of streaming services, apps, and games, all in one place. Still, it's important to consider the DU7200's limitations before making a decision. The 60 Hz refresh rate may not satisfy serious gamers or fans of fast-paced action, so keep that in mind if that's a priority for you. Overall, the Samsung DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV delivers strong value and could be a fantastic addition to your home if it fits your needs. If you have questions or want more guidance, drop a comment below. We're always happy to help. That's it for our deep dive into the Samsung 70-inch DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. I hope this video helped you get a clear picture of what this TV can offer and made your decision a little easier. If you're looking for a big, beautiful screen with smart features, the DU7200 is definitely worth considering. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.